3 years after opening a small repair shop, Alina learned resilience comes from turning every fix into a learning loop for the community. She mapped costs, forged supplier partnerships, and launched a tools network that cut waste and sped up every repair. Profits funded apprenticeships and a transparent pricing hub, building trust and steady growth. A local school partnership transformed the shop into a living classroom, turning students into collaborators and ambassadors for the model. Key lessons: deliver real value, nurture ecosystems before chasing scale, and let purpose steer every decision.